day.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then scan this barcode right now. It's completely free of charge. Definitely worth getting in. It's a no-brainer if it's free, and it's just basically a group chat where I send my hour-to-hour analysis on the markets, and I keep you up to date with the latest trends and news. But let's start with the Nasdaq100. Of course, today it's non-farm payroll figures. The expectations were 318,000 jobs. Of course, we're trading in an environment where good news is bad news and bad news is good news. So a number higher than 318,000 would be very bad for the markets because that would indicate that the Fed has to be tougher with regards to interest rate hikes. I put out a poll actually on my Instagram group, my free group. Let's just bring that up quickly. Asking my followers what they expected with regards to the jobs number, and 78% of you said above 300k, with 22% of you saying under 300k, and I actually said that I was expecting a number between 300,000 and 400,000, and the number was 315,000. So versus expectations, it coming 3,000 jobs lower, which is a good sign. Don't forget, we're trading in an environment where good news is bad news and bad news is good news. So a number that come in slightly lower than expectations is a good sign because it means that what the Fed is doing with regards to interest rate hikes is starting to work. And there is a possibility, just a possibility, that a soft landing may be on the card. So the initial movement that we saw here in the Nasdaq100 was a nice move towards the upside, but we have just recently paired those losses. But of course, we still got a long way to go in this trading session. I think technically it's as simple as this. If we were to take out the lows here, which is around about 12,000 for the Nasdaq100, that opens up a trapdoor to pretty much around 11,500. If we were to take out the highs of today's trading session, then I think it's highly likely that we go to the 50 moving average. And then, of course, just above there, we have the 50-day EMA. But what's very positive is that that 50-day moving average is upsloping. Now, if that 50-day moving average can pierce above that 50-day EMA, that should be seen as a very bullish sign. So I think this market just needs time. I think that the market's going to be looking ahead now towards the 13th of September, which is when we get the CPI reading, and that is where I do anticipate inflation to have dropped significantly month over month, and that, in my opinion, is going to be the next catalyst that sends the markets a lot higher. But there's still a long time between now and then, and of course September is a very bearish month on record. So, September has caused many problems in the past. So I do anticipate lots of volatility.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.